Maysteel is based on culture. Everybody pays good, everybody has benefits, everybody has tuition reimbursement, but what they don't have is the culture, the family. We all are in this together. That's what's most important at Maysteel, because if you don't have that, you have nothing.
Maysteel makes these very complex metal fabrications that you'll see in day-to-day in your community. Beverage dispensing machines that are located in fast food restaurants, self-checkout machines that you see every day in all the stores, grocery stores, supermarkets, etc. So a lot of different products, as well as tapping into the new and evolving EV market. So EV chargers that are coming out that you'll see for electric cars.
Maysteel is a great place to develop your skills and then have, in my opinion, to be fulfilled at the end of the day, see something that you made, walk out and say, I did that. And when you're walking out into the community and saying, boy, look at that, I actually welded that, or I painted that, I formed that. So you can tell people what you did and be proud of it.
So when I started at Maysteel 4.5 years ago, I noticed that there were female welders welding here, and so that gave me the initiative to sit and talk to some of them and find out that welding is a possibility here at Maysteel. Doesn't matter if you're male or female, you can achieve that, and Maysteel will help you.
Maysteel You is we just started that, and we're teaching people how to weld. Once they get through the 3 modules, they can get a pay raise and a promotion up into a welding job. That's how we're growing our own talent.
When I got out of high school, I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do, so I was in between jobs. I work at a restaurant, I work at a food truck, and I wasn't too sure. Then my dad's like, yeah, you gotta get a real job, you know? So I applied here since I already been here as a summer helper. And then I just want to start my own path. You know, I started as a brake press operator, make my way with Maysteel You, through Maysteel You, to be a welder now.
We have anything from CNC operation, brake operation, weld. We're just getting into some fiber laser welding skills. That's breaking technology. I think we're in the forefront of the technology in welding. We also have a technical center that we do prototyping, and they work with the engineering group, paint and assembly, and shipping and receiving. So we are a fully integrated plant.
We get back what we give. So if we can participate, share knowledge, share things that we know with whether it's students in high schools or it's with the Business Alliance in Dodge County, then we know that what goes around comes around, and it's helpful.
My future looks like I'm going to be working still in Maysteel, working as a project engineer. That's my final goal. Being bilingual, since we do have a Maysteel plant in Mexico, that just opens more doors for me.
Depending on the role that you would play in our organization, there's opportunities to expand your role, not just in the current location in Wisconsin, but some of our other locations as well. We're often sharing resources between our locations to accelerate that Maysteel University learning process that we've embedded into the organization. We've got lots of opportunities for people, and we're anxious to share it with them, and that's really at the root of our culture.
We want to have you fulfilled. We want to have you directionally going to where you want to be in a career. This is a career, this isn't a job. So when you would take off and come in as an entry-level job, you can go to Maysteel U, learn how to weld. You can go to a technical school, learn engineering, quality, and other things. There's a lot of possibilities here. You just make your own path here, and we help out.